Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your all internet proxy server errors. So first you need to go to your search tab and just in search tab write Registry Editor. So just write reg, here you can see Registry Editor, so just click on it, choose yes, and also here you need to make a backup file. So just choose export and just write some name here, file name for example 2, and just click save. So you need to do it because if you make something wrong you can also back up your file. So just wait after it will save your file. So we need to go to HKey current user. Here you can see it. Here we need to choose software. You can see software. After software we need to choose Microsoft. Here you can see Microsoft. And after Microsoft we need to choose Windows. Windows. So we scroll down, Windows, here you can see it, you just click on it, and in Windows we need to choose current version. Here you can see current version, and in current version we need to choose internet settings. Here you can see internet settings. So in internet settings we need to delete proxy override file. If you see it, I haven't this file, so if you have it, you just choose it, proxy override, it name, migrate proxy, here you can see it, proxy enable, here you can see it, and proxy server. I haven't proxy server, but if you have, you just choose it. After you choose this file, right click and choose delete. So after you delete these files, just restart your computer and everything will work. You can also try without restart. Maybe in some times it can work without restarting your computer. So just try it after you delete these files, just click on delete and try to open your browser and go to internet. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.